Hey guys, welcome back to Gavin's Garage. In today's video, we're going to be talking about 3,000 watt generators. A lot of you guys have been leaving comments and looking for generators after the storm we just had. And if you're looking for a backup generator, I think a 3,000 watt generator is where you should start. They're not the best generators when it comes to moving them around. They're quite heavy and bulky, but if it's a backup generator, something you're not going to be moving around, I think the 3,000 watt variants are very good, and that's where you need to start. You got the Honda EU 3000. This one has a peak watt of 3,000 watts and a running watt of 2,800. You got the WAN 3800. It has a peak watt of 3,800 and a running watt of 3,400. The Predator 3500. It has a peak watt of 3,500 and a running watt of 3,000. And then when you get to the Generac, the Power Rush GP3000i, this one has a peak watt of 3,000 and a running watt of 2,300. This is going to be the smallest 3,000 watt generator in the ones I picked. And the reason I chose this one is it's like a 2,000 watt generator. It's like a 2,000 watt generator size, but you get in that 3,000 watt peak. So that makes it really easy to move around. You get the size and the power. The 3500, the Predator, that one, I really like this one as well. It has a huge tank and it's really quiet, and when it starts to load, it doesn't ramp up a lot. The WAN, it has a huge, the 3,800 starting power and 3,400 running watt makes it really good for a nice backup generator as well. Plus, if you use it on the RV, it has the RV plug ready for you. The Honda, most people like the Honda because of the brand name and reliability. It doesn't have the highest output wattage, but you do have that Honda name. So we're gonna test all these 4 generators. Okay guys, so we're gonna start with the Honda EU 3000. That's your faceplate. It has the key start, choke. It does have a fuel shutoff, eco throttle, and it's parallel capable. You got your dual 20 amp plugs and your 30 amp twist block. This generator is real versatile. It comes with wheels and 2 handles, one in the front, one in the back, so you could pick it up easily. It has a 196cc engine. It will run on a full tank of gas, which is 3.4 gallons for 19.6 hours. It's dBs. It has a decibel of 57. That's in eco mode. It weighs 130 pounds. And the Honda's maximum output 23.3 amp. Okay, the WAN 3800. It has a engine size that it's a 212cc engine, 2.6 gallons tank. It will run for 11 hours at 25% load. 57 dBs, and it has a weight of 99.2 pounds, but it will put out 28.3 amps. This one is our feature pack. You have a data meter. It shows you your load, your fuel bar. It has light for oil, power. This is your starter right here. It's a pretty cool generator. When you shut this generator off, it will actually finish all the gas in the carburetor before it turns off. There's a manual shut off right here. Dual 20 amp RV plug, 12 volt output, and dual USB. Okay, the Predator 3500, parallel capable, twist lock 30 amp, reset, dual 20 amp out. You got a 12 volt 8 amp max output. It has a nice little digital screen as well, eco mode, and that's your starter switch. This one does have a manual gas tank level. The Predator has a 212cc engine, 2.6 gallons of gas, 11 hours at 25% load, 57 dB, and it weighs 99.2 pounds. These two generators are pretty much the same generator. Okay, we got our Generac GP3000. You have your 30 amp reset breaker, dual 19.2 20 amp, parallel capable, and dual USB. Okay, this generator has a gas tank. This generator has a 149cc engine, 1.06 gallons, very small tank. It'll run for 5.8 hours on 1 gallon at 25% load. It has a dB of 58, and it weighs 59.5 pounds. Pretty nice generator. All right, guys, so we got the GP3000 hooked up to 2 heaters, and each heater pulls 1,500 watts at its highest output. Okay, so this one pulls 1,500 watts, this one pulls 1,500 watts. So we're gonna try and see which one of these generators can power 2 heaters. In case of a power outage, you're trying to heat 2 rooms, you're gonna need a 3,000 watt generator. Let's see which one can do it. This guy right here only puts out 2,300 watts, so it's gonna probably throw the overload light, but we'll see if it still runs it. Which you should never run your generator at 100% or over its running watts. Okay, so the GP3000, I ran it for about a minute, and but the overload light is flashing. You never want to run your generator that hard. So this one, if you're trying to run two heaters, this one is not going to be the one. Let's try the Predator. Okay, man. Warmed up all these generators, so we're gonna get started. Turn on this one first. Let's turn on the second one. Okay, so let's try the WAN 3800. Get it started. To get it started, you just turn this all the way to start. Then you hit this orange button right here. Pushing this button, you could manually shut it off. Okay guys, one left. The Honda. Gas is on, eco's off, choke. Okay, we got the Honda all plugged up. Let's go ahead and turn on the first heater. pounds, 99.2 pounds on the WEN, 99.2 pounds on the Predator 3500, and 59 pounds on the Power Rush. So I still think for the size and the weight, it did pretty good. The Predator just handles the load outstanding. The WEN, with that extra wattage, it makes a perfect backup generator. And the Honda, it's a bit pricey, but you do get what you pay for. So when you buy the Honda, you gotta add the wheel kit. Say it's not integrated. You have to add that. The WEN, it comes with its wheels and has this nice little handle, so you could move it easily. The Predator comes with 4 wheels, so it's real hard to turn. You gotta pick it up and turn it. The Generac has no wheels, but it's really easy to move. It's 59 pounds. Anybody can pick that up. So I think these are 4 generators. I mean, absolutely any one of them you'd be happy with. I'm not going against each of them. I'm just, from research and just looking at all the other generators, I liked these 4. So I'm kind of doing the legwork for you guys. If you're looking for a generator, if you're in the market for a generator, give one of these a shot. You won't be disappointed. If just kind of look at what I point out, go with what you feel works for you. Runtime, digital gauges, manual gauges, ease of moving around. I would pick this over any 2000 watt generator for the price and the power out. Alright guys, so this has been my 3000 watt generator review. What I tried to show in this review is that you can run 2 heaters. In the case of emergency like we just had, a lot of people were trying to run heaters, and these heaters run 1500 watts on high. So you could easily run them on medium load and power 2 heaters in 2 separate rooms, your refrigerator, lights on a 3000 watt generator. I ran them to the max just to prove a point, but in case of emergency you could run 2 of these heaters in 2 separate rooms, plus your fridge and lights. So these are my choices for backup generators in case of emergency. I think any one of these would be an excellent choice, including the smaller and lighter Generac. You'll be able to run 2 heaters on each one of these. So thanks for watching guys, and have a blessed day. Subscribe. Have a nice day.